Hey everyone! Want to lock your Facebook profile but don't see the option? Today I'll show you the direct way, plus easy workarounds if it's missing. Let's get started. First, you need to try this. You need to open the Facebook app and go to your profile. Then here, tap the three dots next to the edit profile. And if you see the lock profile, you can tap it. Then this will process and will lock your profile. But if the lock profile isn't showing, here are the quick workarounds. You need to update the Facebook app. Go to your Play Store and search for Facebook and here tap Update. Or you can check using your browser. You can open the facebook.com on your Chrome, then go to your profile and tap the three dots and look for the lock profile there. Or you can manually tighten the privacy settings. You can go to the settings and click privacy and set who can see your future post and click friends. Also, sometimes the Facebook limits lock profile by country or account type. Use the manual privacy steps above if the feature is unavailable. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.